Hi guys, come with me as I visit my dentist today here at City Mall Dumaguete. Their clinic is located in the first floor of City Mall and their clinic name is called Teves Salutan Eye Care Dental Clinic. They are open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. I think daily by Dr. Lyra Salutan Teves. So, nagpa-root canal ko guys and then on this video tapos na ang ako procedure. Grabe ka, highly recommended ko si Dr. Teves because so far, a few hours after the procedure na wala ra ako anesthesia. I mean, wala good ko na feel nga any ngilo. So, thumbs up to Dr. Teves. And ako gipick up, nihapit ko sa among cafe. Gipick up na ko si Daddy, ang akong driver for today's video. And then, muuli na mi. Pag-uli na mo, amo mo gi-check ang amo ang progress. Ang progress among gipagama nga firewall sa among likod sa balay. That is our Uncle Johnny right there, ang lead sa construction. And then naapod ang yang skilled, very skilled nga labor. Thank you so much guys. Sa paspas ninyo nga trabaho, grabe. Salute jud mi sa inyo. And that's it for today guys. Bye bye. Love you.